Ladies and gentlemen, Marriott on Wheels! Give it up for Mr. Craig Smith, President and Managing Director, Asia Pacific at Marriott International, and of course, actor extraordinaire, the ultimate sophisticate, Mr. Saif Ali Khan. Come on, you guys, let's get you out here. Before I get you guys to say a few words, can we just have some pictures, please? Can you guys three please pose for some pictures? Wonderful, thanks so much. Gentlemen, welcome. Now, before I ask Saif some questions, because I do know there's a strong personal connect to this concept, of course, can we also get Craig just to tell us a little bit more about what inspired it before I grill Saif?
So we have launched our new travel program, which is Marriott Bonvoy, which is combining Marriott Rewards, SPG, and also Ritz-Carlton Rewards into one huge program. And the Marriott Bonvoy is really all about travel. And it really means good travel. And good travel today means great food. And you cannot travel today without planning first where you're going to stay based on what you're going to eat. And so this is our opportunity to showcase our best of our chefs all across India. And rather than just bringing everybody to one place, we decided we're going to take the place to everybody else.
That is amazing, and I couldn't agree more. As a die-hard foodie, I definitely plan my holidays based on what I'm going to eat. But Saif, I have to just ask you, doesn't being in there sort of bring back memories of filming for Chef? And I know that you actually had quite a special relationship with Marriott at the time.
Yes, in fact, we trained all our cooking scenes under Chef Himanshu, who I've just heard has been promoted to a very senior position as sort of the head chef for all the Marriott hotels, which is an amazing thing. So many congratulations
So we're not sure if he trained you or you trained him and then he got promoted, one of the two.
I might have trained him in other things, but he tried to train me about cooking. No, it's been an amazing, amazing relationship. The Marriott has been very, very kind to us, so I'm happy to be here today. And the food truck, yes, this is such a good idea. Six cities, is it, in India? Six cities.
We head to Ahmedabad, Lucknow.
Yeah, north, middle, and south. So fantastic. Yeah, it's great.
Super. And Saif, as a foodie yourself, if you were behind the menu, what are a few items that would absolutely have to be on?
Well, I was just saying, in our movie Chef, we only had one thing on the food menu, which the critics weren't impressed with. So I'm sure this food truck will have many, many more delicious things, which I'm happy about. I don't know, I love roadside food also. I like all kinds of things. I'm not sure, what kind of things are you serving? Yeah. We have to ask Chef Himanshu this.
Hi, very good evening. We're very, very excited to flag off this Marriott on Wheels, biggest IP for us, for our select hotels. And
What's in the menu?
What's in the menu? First, we are going local. Every city will have a local cuisine. Like if you're going to Gujarat, Ahmedabad, we'll have a local food. Same goes with Punjab. And the food is very, very, first of all, authentic and very comfort. You can just have it in a sustainable container then and there itself.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Any specific items that are your favorites?
Yeah.
On the menu?
Undiu taco.
Undiu taco, very innovative.
Yeah. Or nalli nihari wrap.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And galati slider.
The one we're featuring inside, right?
Yes.
Wow.
Exactly.
All right, well, you guys are going to get to taste a lot of these things inside. So I'm sure you're looking forward to that. Seth, what cuisine is your favorite, just out of curiosity?
God, I don't know. It's so hard to say anything. I love Indian food. I also like Chinese food, like a lot of Indian people, I think. And Italian and Japanese and Thai food.
I mean, food is just one of life's greatest pleasures, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, it is.
So
And
my
Craig?
youngest daughter, they grew up. My youngest two children grew up in Hong Kong, and my youngest daughter went away to university, and her comfort food was Indian food, because she ate Indian food all the time, at least twice a week in Hong Kong. And so there was an Indian restaurant down the street from the university, and we went there for her graduation party, and they know her by name. They know exactly what she wants, and Indian food is famous all around the world.
That's brilliant. Yeah, you were telling me you really enjoy Goan food as well. You were telling me
I
about
do.
the
Bao the chorizo.
yeah, the chorizo bao on the menu. Amazing to hear of that as a Goan myself. Well, guys, this is just wonderful, and we're so excited that you could all be here to flag this off. I, for one, as a foodie, am supremely excited, and I hope you guys are all really, really excited as well, because, I mean, what's not to love about food truck culture? It's just sort of emerging here, I think, and it's great that Marriott, as usual, is going to be a pioneer in all things hospitality. So thank you, gentlemen. Can we just get maybe a few more pictures now that Chef is here as well? And then I'll let you guys all taste the delicacies. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much. Marriott on Wheels, thank you, Saif, thank you, Craig. This is just amazing. We're so excited about this launch, and we can't wait for you guys to try what's on the menu. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for being an amazing audience, and we just hope that this is a huge success. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.